In this video, you will learn how to install openjdk in Ubuntu or Linux. Let's get started by installing Synaptic Package Manager using this command sudo apt install synaptic. Enter your password. Okay, synaptic is already the newest version installed in my system. Okay, open synaptic package manager. Okay, search here openjdk. Okay, scroll down and find openjdk-17-jdk. Okay, now mark for installation and apply. Okay, now click on apply. This will take a while for downloading packages and installing. Okay, installed successfully. Now test the installation on terminal using this command. Okay, openjdk-17 is installed successfully. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.